Hey guys, so the most frustrating thing happened the other day. I was on vacation with my family. Very, very excited to go on this cruise. I have my two young boys with me, Ethan and Aiden, and Aiden, my youngest, is nose to nose with a dolphin. You know, one of those moments that if you don't capture it now, you're never gonna have it again to reflect back on, like one of those moments. And I go to take a picture, and this dreaded message is what comes up on the phone. If you have ever been there, you know that you are just mortified right now. And I did not get the dolphin picture. I found this little guy. It's called PhotoStickMobile. You and I are gonna check it out together. I have an Android, but they do have an iPhone version as well. So here's the PhotoStickMobile, and the directions say just to simply stick it into the bottom of my phone. And when I do that, it's going to find every single picture and every single video archived on my phone. And if it works, it's going to move those pictures and videos from my phone to the PhotoStickMobile. So they say it's as easy as just pushing a button and whoosh, it's done. So I want to check it out. So before we use PhotoStickMobile, I just wanted to show you guys that I already have 7.94 gigabytes out of 8 gigabytes used. So it's full. So I've already downloaded the free app for PhotoStickMobile, and it does look like it's pretty easy. It says that we can back up the files now, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna back up all of them so we can make room on our phone. 100%, perfect. We're gonna remove the backed up files from the phone so that we can, you know, like take pictures of dolphins and children. Okay, so all of the storage that was taken up by our videos and our images has all been deleted. The pictures and videos are right there. That was awesome, super fast. So PhotoStickMobile was very easy, super fast. I'm super impressed overall, and I think it's definitely something worth trying. It's PhotoStickMobile.